guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. So, something pretty exciting going on today, let me tell you. I got a hold of, well, Everyone is the company that has the printers out. And one of the people that work there, his last name's Everyone, just contacted me to say, you know, friends list on Facebook, hi, how you doing, whatever. So we spoke for a bit. Again, they're in China, I'm in Canada. Time-wise, this is like crazy. I think it was like midnight for me and noon for him, so, which is cool. He actually sent me a file for a Deathtrooper mask. And now I told you guys in the last video that I really want to get a bigger printer, which I'm trying to work with these people. But she's this one lady that I'm working with, Deborah. She's really nice person. I'm still waiting for her to get a hold of me. I don't know what's going on. Sometimes having talks with people that are across the world is just, it's hard. But we're working on it, guys. It'd be so cool to see this. Anyway, so I figured, he asked me if I wanted this Deathtrooper mask, and it's a Star Wars mask. I'd have to show you guys a picture of it, or you'll have to just wait till it's done. So what I did was, I started printing it out. Now, they're in pieces, so you have to understand that you have to glue these things together to make a mask. That's like somewhere, I don't know. There's a couple of pieces. The supports, I took them off. I still got to clean them up. Looks pretty good, I guess. This is just, you know, again, what it looks like on my printer compared to other people's printer are different, because on a bigger printer you could print this in one full piece. Awesome. With mine, I could put them on one, but it wouldn't fit our head because it's not big enough. I try to do 3 pieces at a time. There's something like I'm gonna say 14 to 20 pieces that have to be separated, and then you put them together, and then we'll do some sanding and put some Bondo and all that stuff, and then we'll paint it. It's gonna look cool, and then we'll have ourselves. Now, here's the thing. I don't know if this is scaled to fit on your head, or if it's just gonna be a piece that's item together. I kind of forgot to look at the sizing when I was doing it. It's something you gotta know to do, guys, if you're gonna do this kind of shit. Oh well, hey, we're having fun, right? Who cares? So this will be the first of the video. I just want to show you guys. I'll post up a picture of what it's supposed to look at. Put it at the end here, somewhere at the end. You'll see it flashing up. And yeah, I'm gonna be damn cool. So, and also we're still working on the ship, the Halo ship, which will be next. That we're gonna do. All right. So short video. Stay tuned. We'll keep on going. All right. Thanks, guys.